Ayun talaga yung may iba talaga sa G20. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And then their aesthetics, Axia, for giving the bullets the studio din talaga, or using the studio din talaga. Please support Pop Axia din talaga, pang malakas. Ang ganda ng prod nila doon.
Pwede bang maging love ang live stream? Love stream. Now streaming.
플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 Say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서.
Hi guys, my name is Zian. Welcome back to YouTube channel. Ano ba naman? So for today's video, isa na naman pong pangmalakas ng ating G22 performance na talaga. So this is all for the bullets that's watching my channel. And of course, shout out kay G22 and the crew din talaga na they keep supporting this content, no? I'm sorry, in the past few days din talaga, Z Takeover has gone through some personal stuff, no? So we try to react as fast as we can, but hindi talaga kaya ng energy. But today, bawing-bawi tayo, guys. Ito todo natin ang ating reaction to our favorite G22 screenplay. Ayan na. This is my favorite song of them din talaga. And shout out to, hold on, let's shout out Pop Prod Axia for giving the bullets the studio din talaga, or using the studio din talaga. Please support Pop Axia din talaga, pang malakas. Ang ganda ng prod nila doon. Ayun talaga yung may iba talaga sa G20. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And then their aesthetics, girls aesthetic din talaga yung kanilang, como se dice, their aesthetic, their makeup. It's, I know P-pop is following K-pop makeup, but it looks so flawless and glass skin. It's a dummy. Ganun daw yan, ha? It's a dummy. Ang lakas makarap ako na kantang to. Ayan na, nawala din talaga. Kasi naman wait lang. Oh, from the top. Kasi daman-dama ako, guys, eh. The fourth member of G22. Z Takeover. Go, girl. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung ganong hair, no? Yung medyo maikli lang. So, dami ko sinabi. Ano yun? Ganda. Alam niyo guys, ito kayo sinasabi nila, like as much as I watch G22, I have my bias, but like every day it keeps changing. It's a dance break for me. Angas? Guys, that is One-Sided Love by G22 live performance in Pop Axia Studio. Oy! Give it up for applause with G22, guys. Ito na nga, guys, no? Narinig din tayo ng management na talaga ang management. Alam kong umiiyak na si D. Pagod na po si G22 fancam sa pag-promote. Ito na nga, guys. Nabigyan din po ng pag-10 ang ating girls. Talaga ng management ng Cornerstone. Dumating na po ang ating hinihintay, guys. Tingnan nyo naman ang girls. Wait lang naman. Kasi mga flexible nyo naman yan, girls. Parang pwede ako pang 4 dito eh. Oo, ganun yun. Guys, wala akong masabi kasi nga the girls, we know naman since the debut of them on this Chinese television is they're very, very good. We know that they're very, very good. What I'm trying to say is that like we actually start to learn them more than talaga from their aesthetics, their visuals, their quality of voice. World-class performance of G22. The platform they've been given by Pop Axia din talaga. Applauded din talaga, guys. Thank you so much. Kasi nga, we've been, as a bullet myself, I've been waiting to see more of G22 performance. Tamang-tama. Saktong-sakto. Stage, check. Visuals, checked. The girls, outfit, checked. Makeup, checked. Vocals, 10 ang score ko. Magbabalik po on the bus. sorry, mali na naman. Guys, if you guys want to see more of G22 on the channel, please put it in the comment section. And then help your boy out then naman talaga. If you guys want me to watch any specific content of G22, comment nyo na rin yan sa baba. And again, guys, don't forget to tell the universe that today is gonna be a good day. Marabang kang energy agad-agad. Your life matter, my life matter. Continue praying for world peace. If you know someone experiencing mental health or depression, make sure to check. And of course, ask Aaron Escort. I'll see you guys again next time. And as the 4th member of the G22, yeah. Wait, tumatawag si baby. Baby, I miss you. I know you miss my reaction videos din. Alam ko yung lifestyle yung pinapanood mo eh, no? Oo, yung mga kaladian ko, mga skydiving. Ito, balik reaction tayo, no? Sabi ng management ni G22 fan ka, mag-react daw sa Pop Asia. Ito, sinusunod ni Z Takeover ang mga request ng mga publiko, ng mga bullets, no? Oo, magkakaroon po ka mo mamaya. Oo, wait, nakakalay pa ako. Ano ba?